Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's news bulletin. First, let's take a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chairs a meeting with the Union Council of Ministers in New Delhi. Prime Minister Modi to launch development projects in 5 states beginning tomorrow. Tura Medical College to operate from 2027-28, says Health Minister Ambreen Lingdo. BJP announces first list of candidates for Lok Sabha polls. Prime Minister Modi to contest polls from Varanasi constituency. And Mukul Sangma demands probe into illegal smuggling of areca nut from Bangladesh. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today chaired a meeting with the Union Council of Ministers in New Delhi. Several union ministers attended the meeting, which is being held at the Sushma Swaraj Bhavan in the national capital. The meeting is likely to be the last such exercise during the second term of his government, as the Lok Sabha elections are expected to be held in April or May this year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch development projects worth over 1,06,000 crore rupees during his 5-state visit beginning tomorrow. He will be on a 3-day visit to Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, West Bengal and Bihar. The Prime Minister will inaugurate, dedicate and lay the foundation stone of multiple development projects worth more than 56,000 crore rupees in Adilabad, Telangana tomorrow at around 10:30 a.m. The major focus of the projects will be the power sector. On the same day, Mr. Modi will visit Bhavini in Kalpakam, Tamil Nadu. Health Minister Ambreen Lingdo has stated that the Tura Medical College would start operating in 2027-28 after entering into a private partnership. Speaking to media persons, Lingdo said that the physical progress of the project is little over 50% at the moment. As far as Shillong Medical College is concerned, the minister added that the college is expected to be made functional by 2025-26. In addition, another medical college is also coming up at the USTM University in Ribhoi district.
If I remember correctly, as stated in the House, is at 55% completion. We are not very close to near completion. Tura Medical College is slated to begin its academic session post tying up of an MOU with a PPP, with a partner, private partner, and likely to take off 26-27 or 27-28.
The Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) on Saturday announced its first list of 195 candidates who will be contesting the upcoming Lok Sabha elections 2024. In its first list, the BJP has fielded 34 central government ministers, including Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh and Smriti Irani. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will again fight the Lok Sabha elections 2024 from Varanasi constituency. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the BJP has announced candidates for some of the Lok Sabha seats and it will be announcing the rest of the seats in the coming days. He also congratulated all those who have been nominated as BJP candidates. Following reports of the illegal smuggling of areca nut from neighbouring Bangladesh into India through the state and subsequent fallout on farmers, AITC leader and Songsak MLA Mukul Sangma launched a signature campaign to demand a high-level probe into the matter. In a meeting held yesterday in the town of Mendipathar, the former CM termed the continued smuggling of areca nut a case of malgovernance which needed to be thoroughly probed. Mukul had earlier raised the matter in the recently concluded assembly session, where he stated that the farmers of the state would have no option but to dump the fruit in front of the state secretariat.
Today we have launched this whole campaign to file a petition against the cross-border illegal smuggling of Ericanum. You are aware of the fact that quite a number of people have, as whistleblowers, brought this to the notice of different authorities in the state. And the same also has been brought before the government.
The Sinjuk Kirang Bashnong Ribhoi district, a traditional body, has announced its plans for agitation due to the state government's failure to appoint a full-fledged block development officer at Umsning CNRD block despite repeated demands from the district's Sinjuk Kirang Bashnong. The Sinjuk Kirang Bashnong Ribhoi district had formally approached the concerned minister and submitted petition for the same. Finding no response, the Sinjuk is now organizing an agitation within the premises of Umsning CNRD block as a form of protest. BB Makdo, the president of Sinjuk Kirang Bashnong Ribhoi district, expressed dissatisfaction with the state government's attitude and said that right now only a temporary BDO is stationed at the Umsning CNRD block office and they want a full-fledged BDO in the block.
Ban yakhi ting e persha government abajing dai bagni ka kam kumlisibul indap dai jing smuk khera halor ka jing penslam jong ka sarkar ban thong yo BDO bapura hang tai block umsning namar ba kumba pi ba ngila tho ya ka city so concerned minister ngila request ro yo deputy chief minister ba un leklo ya ka jing dai bagni ka jing thong yo BDO bapura block umsning henry hadu manta Samdan gano ka respond na galyang government. Teni kasni na galyang jong ni kirang basnong ilay kendo perke bar ni panpaw yung jing smuksi na marba nadu u December sam laban syo ya gino pipenan gibagin le nagatag office ladaday ha kajing day ki MG NRGA ha ladaday ha kajing day bat ki SRWP bat ki skin.
Pakistan's Shehbaz Sharif is all set to take oath as Prime Minister for second term. Voting in the Pakistan National Assembly to elect the new Prime Minister was held today following last month's elections that produced a split mandate. According to the National Assembly Secretariat, Shehbaz Sharif, 72 years old, is the consensus candidate of the PMLN and the Pakistan People's Party PPP. He submitted his nomination yesterday. His closest contender, Omar Ayub Khan of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf PTI, also filed his papers yesterday ahead of today's election. The winning candidate will be administered the oath of office tomorrow at the presidential mansion, Aiwan-e-Sadr. Esplendides 2024, the annual festival of the Regional Institute of Science and Technology, concluded successfully at Ribhoi district on Saturday. The event aimed to provide a platform for students to showcase their talents, foster a sense of community and create lasting memories. The event started with the Unity Day run on the morning of 27th February and the event was graced by Vivek Raj Singh Kukrele, IGP, Modernization Planning and Coordination of Assam. This was followed by a formal session and flag hoisting ceremony, which marked the opening of the 3-day-long fest. Various artists like renowned MTV rapper Shedi Melo, DJ Fabian from Meghalaya and DJ Zefirtan from Kolkata also performed at the event. The Indian men's cricket team has reached on top in the World Test Championship standings, replacing New Zealand in the latest rankings issued on Sunday. The International Cricket Council updated their WTC points table today, in which India moved to the top of the points table following Australia's victory over New Zealand in the Wellington Test. India is currently leading the 5-match Test series against England by 3-1, and a win in the final match of the series will further strengthen the position in the WTC points table. In the Women's Premier League 2024 cricket, Gujarat Giants will take on Delhi Capitals women at M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru, Karnataka this evening. The match will begin at 7:30 p.m. Bet Mooney-led Gujarat Giants are still waiting for their first win in the league and are currently at bottom of the points table. On the other hand, Delhi Capitals women won their last game against Royal Challengers Bangalore women by 25 runs on Thursday. And now let's have a look at the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 20.4 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 9.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 56%, in the evening was 71%. The forecast states that light rain is likely to occur at isolated places. Before we wind up, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chairs a meeting with the Union Council of Ministers in New Delhi. Prime Minister Modi to launch development projects in 5 states beginning tomorrow. Tura Medical College to operate from 2027-28, says Health Minister Ampreen Lingdor. BJP announces first list of candidates for Lok Sabha polls. Prime Minister Modi to contest polls from Varanasi constituency. And Mukul Sangma demands probe into illegal smuggling of areca nut from Bangladesh. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Until we meet again tomorrow, same time, same channel. Thank you for watching.